Hello there.
Hello.
I got water over to your plant now.
Oh,
There.
Thank you, baby.
And I fixed the tree over there that didn't have any water.
Oh,
Got water on that now. And I was just kind of checking things out. What are you doing?
I came over here to tell you that I have to go to the post office and mail something immediately.
Oh, yes. Oh, but before you do that,
But since I was walking down here looking for you, I'm gonna feed my birds.
she's got some bird. We put up some bird houses, and she's got some bird seed here. And she's gonna put some in. Here's one here. There's still lots of seed here. This stuff here, you ever seen this before? This is suet. You put that in there, and then the birds peck on that. She saw some woodpeckers out here the other day. Oh, this one's empty.
Yeah, this one's empty.
See, some of the birds like particular ones. Here's a type. This is for small little like finches. We haven't really seen too many. We're hoping to see some eventually come in. And we've got some up there. That's for the hummingbirds. We've seen a couple here so far, and that's about it.
Yeah, we have hummingbirds. We have stellar jays.
Oh, stellar jays. They're kind of like blue jays.
And woodpeckers.
And they've been coming, and
The woodpeckers
a few
have been
woodpeckers. So, anyways.
So I'm running off to the post office.
Okay, and you sure you haven't paid that before?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, can you take me off that?
Okay, bye-bye.
I wanted to talk to you about it.
Oh, okay. Well, that's all I got, I think, for now. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. And what am I going to talk about next time? I'm not quite sure just yet. It might have something to do with a home inspection before selling a house, or before you are thinking about buying a house, something like that. Keep watching for those on my channel.